1. Which gas is exhaled during human respiration? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. D. Methane. Right answer, carbon dioxide. Fact: we inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide as a waste product. 2. What is insulin used for? A. Build muscle. B. Use sugar for energy. C. Filter blood. D. Fight infection. Right answer, use sugar for energy. Fact: insulin is a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels. 3. What is the main function of the kidneys? A. Digest fat. B. Filter waste from blood. C. Store nutrients. D. Control breathing. Right answer, filter waste from blood. Fact: kidneys filter blood, remove waste, and maintain fluid balance. What causes hiccups? A. Slow breathing. B. Full stomach. C. Diaphragm spasm. D. Low blood sugar. Right answer, diaphragm spasm. Fact: hiccups are caused by sudden, involuntary contractions of the diaphragm muscle. 5. Why do you get goosebumps on your skin sometimes? A. Too much salt. B. Scared or cold. C. Low oxygen. D. Excitement. Right answer, scared or cold. Fact: goosebumps are caused by small muscles pulling hair follicles upright. 6. How many chambers does the heart have? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 5. Right answer, 4. Fact: the heart has 4 chambers, 2 atria and 2 ventricles. 7. Where is the lumbar located? A. Upper arm. B. Lower back. C. Neck. D. Chest. Right answer, lower back. Fact: the lumbar region contains the 5 largest vertebrae of the spine. 8. What is the primary function of the respiratory system? A. Move limbs. B. Exchange gases. C. Pump blood. D. Filter toxins. Right answer, exchange gases. Fact: the respiratory system facilitates the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. 9. Which part of the human brain is primarily responsible for processing visual information? A. Frontal lobe. B. Temporal lobe. C. Occipital lobe. D. Parietal lobe. Right answer, occipital lobe. Fact: the occipital lobe, located at the back of the head, processes sight. 10. What is the scientific name for the collarbone? A. Clavicle. B. Humerus. C. Scapula. D. Femur. Right answer, clavicle. Fact: the clavicle is a slender S-shaped bone that connects the arm to the trunk. 11. Which organ's name is SOAH? A. Spleen. B. Heart. C. Stomach. D. Esophagus. Right answer, stomach. Fact: the stomach is the muscular organ that begins food digestion. 12. What's the name of the largest artery in the human body? A. Vena cava. B. Aorta. C. Pulmonary artery. D. Carotid artery. Right answer, aorta. Fact: the aorta carries oxygenated blood from the heart to the rest of the body. How many chromosomes does a human have? A. 23. B. 48. C. 46. D. 92. Right answer, 46. Fact, humans have 23 pairs of chromosomes, totaling 46. What percentage of your body is composed of water? A, 40%, B, 60%, C, 80%, D, 50%. Right answer, 60%. Fact, the human body is typically composed of around 60% water. What is the smallest bone in the human body? A, stapes, B, incus, C, malleus, D, zygomatic. Right answer, stapes. Fact, the stapes is located in the middle ear. 16. What is the longest bone in the human body? A, tibia, B, humerus, C, femur, D, ulna. Right answer, femur. Fact, the femur is the longest and strongest bone. 17. Neurons are used to A, digest food, B, transmit information, C, filter blood, D, create hormones. Right answer, transmit information. Fact, neurons are nerve cells that transmit electrical and chemical signals. 18. Which bone protects the brain? A, sternum, B, cranium, C, pelvis, D, vertebrae. Right answer, cranium. Fact, the cranium is a strong, bony structure that protects the brain. 19. Which hormone is often called the stress hormone? A, adrenaline, B, estrogen, C, cortisol, D, thyroxine. Right answer, cortisol. Fact, cortisol regulates many changes that occur in response to stress. 20. What is the scientific term for the windpipe? A, esophagus, B, bronchi, C, trachea, D, larynx. Right answer, trachea. Fact, the trachea is the tube that connects the larynx to the bronchi. 21. What is the fluid inside the eyeball called? A, aqueous humor, B, synovial fluid, C, vitreous humor, D, lymph. Right answer, vitreous humor. Fact, vitreous humor is the clear gel that fills the space between the lens and retina. What does DNA stand for? A, double nuclear acid, B, deoxyribonucleic acid, C, dinitrogen acid, D, digital nucleic algorithm. Right answer, deoxyribonucleic acid. Fact, DNA carries the genetic instructions for development and function. 23. Does a person get DNA from their parents? Yes or no? A, yes, B, no, C, sometimes, D, only from mother. Right answer, yes. Fact, you inherit half of your DNA from your mother and half from your father. 24. Which sense allows us to see? A, hearing, B, sight, C, smell, D, touch. Right answer, sight. Fact, sight is the sense processed by the eyes and the occipital lobe of the brain. 25. Which food improves eyesight? A, bananas, B, carrots, C, potatoes, D, apples. Right answer, carrots. Fact, carrots are high in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which aids vision. 26. Which muscle helps us to breathe? A, biceps, B, quadriceps, C, diaphragm, D, triceps. Right answer, diaphragm. Fact: the diaphragm is the main muscle of respiration, located below the lungs. 27. Where is insulin produced in the body? A. Liver. B. Kidney. C. Pancreas. D. Stomach. Right answer, pancreas. Fact: the pancreas produces insulin to control blood sugar levels. Which food increases energy levels? A. Salad. B. Water. C. Banana. D. Soda. Right answer, banana. Fact: bananas contain natural sugars and potassium, providing quick, sustained energy. Where are the red blood cells produced? A. Spleen. B. Liver. C. Bone marrow. D. Kidneys. Right answer, bone marrow. Fact: red blood cells are continuously produced in the red bone marrow. How many hours of sleep is optimal for human health? A. 4 to 5 hours. B. 6 to 7 hours. C. 7 to 9 hours. D. 9 to 10 hours. Right answer, 7 to 9 hours. Fact: optimal sleep for most adults is recommended to be 7 to 9 hours. 31. What helps in removing toxins from the body? A. Fasting. B. Drinking water. C. Eating fat. D. Exercise. Right answer, drinking water. Fact: water helps the kidneys and liver flush out waste products and toxins. 32. What activity reduces stress and improves mental health? A. Watching TV. B. Doing exercise. C. Eating fast food. D. Smoking. Right answer, doing exercise. Fact: exercise releases endorphins, which have mood-boosting and stress-reducing effects. What is the best time to exercise? A. Morning. B. Noon. C. Evening. D. Late night. Right answer, morning. Fact: morning workouts can boost metabolism and energy levels for the whole day. Which of these activities is most harmful to lung health? A. Running. B. Smoking. C. Deep breathing. D. Laughing. Right answer, smoking. Fact: smoking introduces harmful chemicals and carcinogens directly into the lungs.